that good? Sorry. Yeah. Oh god. I gotta stop a bit too early. He's gonna be judging.
Is this one, okay? Turn from stop. Now you are stopped. You have to go there and turn right.
Okay.
You cannot go out of the solid line, okay? Turn like this, then go like this, an angle. Since this is a smaller, you have to stay within the dotted yellow line. See the dotted yellow line?
The yellow line?
Not the solid, the dotted yellow line. You have to stay on this side of the yellow line.
Okay.
You cannot go. This is a small bike.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So from here, after you turn, go diagonally, stay within the dotted yellow line, okay?
Okay.
Don't go to the right of the yellow line.
Okay.
And make a U-turn and stop in the square as you did before.
Okay.
Alright.
Whenever I'm ready?
Ready? Whenever you are ready, you can go.
Which one?
You went outside the pole. There you went outside the yellow line.
This side or? Oh, that side?
This side.
This side?
Yes.
It was like this line, right? Or this one?
Yeah, this yellow line.
I thought I went along that one.
No, don't say that.
Okay.
This was the yellow line.
Okay.
So, you lost some points, that's all. But, we will do the other one.
Okay.
Come over here. Stop. What we are going to do is, from here, I am going to time it, okay?
Okay.
You have to start, and when I say ready, you have to start, and you should pick about the speed about 12 to 18 miles per hour.
Okay.
Okay? And maintain a steady speed when your front tire crosses the second line.
The cone sign? Yeah, the cone. The two cones?
This solid line. Okay?
Yeah, not the first one, the second one.
Not the cone, where the cone is.
Yeah.
Once you get the first line, I will start the timer, okay?
Okay.
And when you pass the second line between the cone, you should try to stop as fast as you can.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And after you stop, don't roll.
Okay.
I will check the timing, that's the thing, okay? I'm going to start a stopwatch, okay?
Okay.
So keep 12 to 18 miles per speed by the time you get that first line.
Okay.
You should have that much speed by the time you get the first line.
Okay.
And once you pass the second line, once your front tire crosses the second line between the cone, try to stop as fast as you can.
Okay.
Okay?
12:18 or?
109.
I'm supposed to stop like right after I hit this line.
No, first I said after you pass the first line.
Yeah.
You took 109. Okay?
Was that fine?
No. If it is timing is between 109, you should have got up to 8 feet.
And I shouldn't stop.
No.
So
No. You got one more chance.
one more try? Okay. Okay, let me try one more time. I stopped at the line. One more try. So after I crossed, so I 12 to 18 miles per hour. After I crossed the double line.
You see all those bars there? So you should be hitting somewhere there. If you are behind, before that you are too far off.
Too slow then?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you should be getting the timing and the distance, everything has to match.
Okay.
So otherwise, it won't work.
Try one more time, okay?
And you have one more chance, you are getting the second chance, okay?
Okay.
If it is not the timing and the distance.
Okay. Whenever I go?
I will tell you when you go.
Okay. Better? That was good, right? That was good? Yeah, sweet, yes. Am I 9 feet?
No.
8?
I'm taking the front tire, where the front tire is.
So 8 feet.
This is 10, 9, 8.
So I'm 8 feet?
Yeah, so you are 1 feet off.
1 feet off. But is it good to stop then early or what?
Because the timing was not right, that's why. Speed. So it says between 8 and 12, but it's a little off, but I am going to deduct some points for that, okay?
Okay. Yep.
Okay, we are doing the same thing, okay? I am going to time it, okay? So now instead of stopping after you pass the second line between the cones, you make a turn to the right. See the last cone there on the right side? That is an obstacle, some object or some person or something is there.
Okay.
So you have to avoid that.
Okay.
That is called obstacle swerve. Okay. So from here you start. From there, after you get the first line, I will start the timer.
Okay.
I will stop the timer once you pass the second line. But you have to keep the same speed, 12 to 18 miles per hour. Once you get the first line, once you pass the second line, turn to the right of the last cone.
Okay.
Assume that is an obstacle, something on the road you want to avoid.
Got it.
Okay. And after you turn and stop as you can.
Stop, but before the yellow line?
After you pass the obstacle, stop.
Okay.
Even if you skid, you don't use any points.
Okay. Because if I skid, I lose points?
You don't lose points.
You don't lose points, okay. Okay.
So, but after you stop, don't move.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You know what to do, right?
Huh?
You know what to do.
Yeah, pass the double coins, then swerve and brake. Got it, yeah, got it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Was that good?
Okay, come inside. Go to counter number 18. I will be there. Okay?
18? Got it.